Hello. Today, let us understand the topic of work study. According to British standard, work study refers to the method study and work measurement which are used to examine human work in all its contexts by systematically investigating into all factors affecting its efficiency and economy to bring forth the desired improvement. So this definition was given by British Standard. So according to this definition, work study or the principal aim of work study is to bring efficiency and economy by making improvements in the method of doing the job. In the process of all unnecessary movements are done away with wastage in terms of movements or resources is reduced to bare minimum. Then, according to this definition, work study is more concerned with human manual work. Basically, it deals with the efficient design and execution of manual work. Work study is extensively employed in agricultural operations, manufacturing, services, transport, and supply industries. Now, coming to the components of work study. Work study has two parts. One is method study and work measurement. Method study is also called as motion study and work measurement is also called as time study. Here, method study precedes work measurement and method study deals with the techniques of analyzing the ways of doing a given job better. Now, so let me tell you what are the benefits of work study. Work study directly lead to standardization of the job process and also it determine the cost of work performed and also it saves and minimizes time since the unnecessary movement are eliminated. And also work study enhances productivity of the workers and machines. And through work study, so there is a possibility of evaluating the performance of an employee or department as against the standards or the targets set by the managers. So, and also it helps or enables the worker to earn incentives. So, through work study, there is a possibility of connecting or so linking the incentives with the performance of the employees and also it contributes to cost saving. Through work study, there is a possibility of reducing the cost of production or cost savings and it enhances the employee morale and it facilitates the organization to plan and achieve the given targets or given objectives. Now, the next component of work study is method study. Method study is the systematic recording and critical examination of the existing and proposed ways of doing work as a means of developing and applying easier and more effective methods, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Method study attempts answering questions of the type what, when, how, who, and where. And this method study is used in order to effect solutions of a variety of production problems such as workplace layout, equipment design, product or process design, workers fatigue, etc. The basic procedure of the method study is its aim is to develop better working conditions in the organization or better working methods in the organization. So here you can see on the slide. So the basic procedure of method study. Here the first task is Its aim is to develop better working methods in the manufacturing process. And here the next step is selecting the tasks to be studied. And so according to the tasks, what they have to do is they have to record all the related facts according to the targets, and they have to examine the critical facts so according to the targets, and so they have to examine it. So examine it means the recorded events are to be critically examined in a sequence, even to the extent of questioning the very purpose of an activity. And the next step in the method study procedure is develop and define. So based on the data recorded, the alternative methods of doing the same job more effectively are to be identified and evaluated by the managers. So from these alternatives, the best one is selected and developed to suit the requirements of the organization or department. And an alternative is considered to be the best when it is thoroughly evaluated in terms of their feasibility and safety of the workers, effectiveness and compatibility to design the production systems and quality control procedures. So according to the feasibility, the safety of the workers, compatibility and the production systems and the plant layout and design, and according to the procedures adopted by the organization, so they have to develop and define the tasks. And the next step is installing. So here the new method so developed is to be installed in a phased manner. So as part of installation, adequate planning of schedules and development of resources should be taken care of. Many good proposals do not take off for want of adequate preparation for installation. So once the method is adopted, the workers have to be retrained, the equipment has to be provided, and the method has to be tested in order to seek improvement. Installation is said to be complete only when the new method starts working consistently and efficiently. Then the last or the next step in the method study procedure is maintain. So it is to be ensured that the method is used in the manner intended, and complaints and improvement in productivity should be registered. So once the new method starts yielding the desired results, it is necessary to maintain the new method without any change for some time. And finally, the result of the method studies increase efficiency, cost effectiveness, and good productivity. So there is a possibility of increasing the productivity of the organization and reaching the desired targets is the ultimate goal of work or method study.